Hey Stephen, this is my coffee machine, and the first thing you got to do is feel back here and there's a switch and you turn it on, and it takes about 15 minutes to get up to temperature, which is 196.5 Fahrenheit. So once it's all warmed up, you can flush the head by pressing this button. And then you just press it again. So that's flushed. And then same with the steam wand. I'll put it on this rag and then flush the steam wand. And then I'll grind some coffee beans. I usually set it to 10 seconds. Fill up this thing. Flatten it out. Use this tamp. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Maybe I'll put this camera here. So yeah, you get it flat, and then they say like 30 pounds. So I don't know, 3 fingers, and put a good amount of your weight on it, and then should look like that. Pretty firm. And then this goes in here and pull it so it's just tight. Get the cup under it, get the steam wand ready. I've got my milk ready. I just do it to the bottom of the spout down there. And then use the double shot button. So you only have to press this once, it'll turn off automatically. And while that's pouring, I steam the milk. We'll see if I can set this camera up somehow to do both, but yeah, anyway. So that starts, and then you get the milk in here. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't. And then you just do it until it's hot to touch. And then you clean the wand a lot and spray it out. And then you... Hey, I'm just doing a video for Stephen. I'm just doing a video for Stephen. Oh, nice. I'm going to get all the bubbles out of the milk, and then you pour the milk in the coffee. Make a coffee, and then you undo this, tap it into here. Wash it out. And then with a rag, clean up under here. So you just rinse it out. And then give it a clean. And then you're all done. So yeah, pretty simple. Steam wand, that makes the steam come out. Use this just to clean out the head on off, and then you can use that one for the coffee. And then you can leave it on all day if you have afternoon coffees, or if you're done, then you just switch it off again in the back. Cool, hope that helps.